put your roll number here. Suppose that my roll number is 1001 and your password will be date of birth in the format of DD, MM, YY, and you will have to also put the security pin which will be announced in the lab before 5 minutes. Pin. You will log in and you will get the profile page where your roll number, candidate name, father's name and date of birth will be shown here, and you will go to click on I confirm to proceed. You will get the instruction page. Instruction page, you will have to read the all points 1 2 3 4 points 5 6 7. Each points you will have to read carefully, and then you will have to check the checkbox to confirm that I have read and understand the instruction. Now you will click on the I am ready to begin. You will get the portal of skill test. Here is the timer started for 60-minute countdown, and here the doc file, Excel file and PPT file. Firstly you will have to download the all file, download, then save in the downloads folder, save and close. Then Excel file you will have to download, save, close and download, save and save, close. You will go to my computer and download folder 1 2 3. This is the your roll number. Your roll number is 1002 and it's a download folder. You will get the 3 file, Excel, PowerPoint and Word file. Firstly you will open the Word file and give your answer here. And save with Ctrl S button continuously. You will have to, if you are going to type anything, press Ctrl S, type anything, press Ctrl S and then close this file and go to browse button, upload your document file, upload. Once you uploaded the file, you will get the message your docs file has been uploaded, file uploaded successfully. Next, if you by mistake upload the blank file like Excel file upload, you will get the message that unsolved paper uploaded. So please make sure that you have to attempt the all question in your sheet, Excel sheet. And Ctrl S, press Ctrl S, close this file and go to your main portal and upload the Excel file again. You will get the uploaded message and then turn to PowerPoint file. First slide. Ctrl S, save, okay, close and upload. You will get the message, thank you, all files are uploaded, exit to exam. You can click the exit to exam if you uploaded the all file. Thank you.